What's up, guys? Today I have another niche for you. This is a gnome coloring book. So this is a gnome coloring book with the G. So it only has 938 results, so anything 1000 is really good competition. It also has 260 permanent search results on Google, so this is really good. I'm using keywords everywhere for this tool. As you can see, it picks up on January. So let me just zoom out and show you how much people are making with this. So let me just click on this. I'm using KD Spy here. So the estimated monthly result of one of the books is 13,000. So it's really good. Other people are making 1,000, 1,900, 600. So people are making really good money of this. At least a fair income. Think about if you have 10 of this and how much you can earn with this. So let me just close this one and show you the covers here. It's very simple cover. This one is really good cover. So independently published. You can go to topcoverdesigner.com and have your book cover made professionally for as low as $5. So I recommend that you don't do the covers by yourself. Hire a professional because cover is critical. So these are all independently published, but the covers are really good. That's why they are selling. So let me go to Creative Fabrica where I can get the interiors for free. So as you can see, these are interiors for $50, it's 90% off. 90% off. By the way, you can download all of this for free. I'll put the link in the description box below so that you can download 10 of this for free. Check that out. It's for free. You can download your interiors here, and when you go to keywords tool. So this is the Amazon keyword tool from the keyword tool Dominator. I'll put the link in the description box below so that you can use this for free. It's a gnome coloring book. I press search. As you can see, it has many results. I'm only interested on those that have the stars, like this. So you can download these keywords and use it for your title, subtitle, in the 7 keywords space on Amazon KDP as you publish your book. So then you go to the kdptips.com. Just go to kdptips.com and you can download this Ultimate Bestsellers Guide for free. I'll give you for free. I just need your email here, so hop on it. So this is it. This is for today. Have fun with this one, guys, and I'll see you on Friday. All right, bye bye.